Let's create this beautiful layouts using Product Layouts plugin. Go to Product Layouts. Create general layouts. There are many different style of layouts. To pick a style, click Create Style. Set a name and save. Successfully create our layout. Go to Product Query. I set 12 product per page. For example, I have shown 12 products on one page. You can adjust the other options as needed. If we set -1, then we will see all product in a page. We can use the shortcode anywhere, but I use the shortcode Publish the layout in a page. Copy the shortcode. Back to Dashboard and create a new page. Paste the shortcode. Set a title. Publish and view page. This is our attractive product layout. Thanks for watching the video.